How to rake in profits through affiliate marketing. That's great timing. You may have a lot of questions on what to do and how to start. Do not worry, because this video will talk about those things. Listed below are some tips that can help you with your affiliate marketing aspirations. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. As an affiliate marketer, your reputation is directly linked to the reputation of the company whose products you are promoting. This means that you need to choose your company wisely based on more than just the products offered. You need to check on the company's reputation to make sure they're viewed favorably. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Integrating affiliate marketing offers into a website's content will make affiliate agreements more productive. A simple banner ad is never as effective as an in-depth video that points out the strengths of an affiliate's product. Merging affiliate offers with website content draws the website's readers deeper into the sales pitch and will be more persuasive than separated advertisements. When you get deep into affiliate marketing, you need to keep track of ROI, or return on investment. Simply put, this is a measurement of what profit you get out of the money you spend on advertising. Fortunately, there are plenty of automatic and free ROI tools online to assist you. By measuring your ROI, you can easily compare multiple forms of advertising and see which is most cost-effective for you. To make money in affiliate marketing, you should be selective in finding products that offer the highest commissions. While you are taking up space on your page with an ad for a product that pays you 10%, you are giving up that real estate for a product that could pay you 40%. These steps should have put you on the road to success. Even if you felt confident before, at this point, you should feel like an expert. By following the advice in this video, you can create and maintain a successful affiliate marketing campaign for your website. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.